All right, so now what do we want? We want, let's say, this engine column, which is an object column that has values like 998 cc, 2179 cc, something like that. We want this column to be converted into a numerical column so that we can perform, numerical experimentations over there. So how to do that? First of all, this cc should be there in the column name, so engine underscore cc or something like that. And then the remaining values will be the numerical values, so its type should be converted. Another thing is here, if you see, we have NaN, which means the number, we have missing values, right? NaN means not a number. So we have a missing value over there. So we need to do three things. We need to remove cc from here and add it in the column name. We need to convert the type of the column, and we need to deal with the missing values as well. So we will replace missing values with what? With mean, right? Yeah, it looks like mean will be a good measure. Mean, but mean should be in should not be in floating point. It should be in integers. So what are we going to do? We're going to go towards ChatGPT, and here you see the attachment sign, right? So if I click over here, we can add the file from Google Drive, from OneDrive as well, and we can upload it from the computer as well. If you're using free version of ChatGPT, you can still upload the file and you can perform analysis on that by using ChatGPT, but it is up to a limited level, right? So let me upload the file from here. So it opens up my local drive. I'll select the file. Where's the file? In data. This is the file, right? Car details v3. So I'll open it up. So you see this file is being uploaded. It says unable to upload the file. Let me see what's wrong. I think there was connectivity issue. Let's try again. And let me click over here and attachment. Let's go to upload from computer. And here we'll go to this folder. I'll select this file. Let's see if it is uploaded. Yeah, it is being uploaded. So now here I'll mention all the details. What is the column name exactly? The column name is engine, right? So I'll mention that. Write Python code to, here we'll mention all the things in steps, to convert, actually to remove cc from, not from engine column and create a create a new column named engine underscore cc, right? This is one thing. Then convert the new column to numeric data type, and finally we want the missing, let's say, replace missing values with the mean of the new column, right? And what do we want? Oh yeah, I think mean should be rounded off so that mean should be in integer form, right? Cool. Let's see, running it. So now what will happen? This ChatGPT will load the data. It will analyze the data. You see it is analyzing, and then it will act upon all the instructions that we have mentioned over here. So since the data file is quite long, and here we go. So the code has successfully done what? It has created a new column, right? Then converted this column to numeric type and then filled the missing values as well. So where is the code? If I click over here at blue signal, you see this is the code. So let us copy this code first. Let's bring it to our notebook and see what is inside this code, right? So step one, first of all, removing cc from the engine column, and it is creating a new column. So first of all, it is saying data frame of engine underscore cc. Now remember the rule of dictionary. If this key already exists inside the dictionary, then it will update the data. But if key does not exist, then it will create the key. So it will create a new column, engine underscore cc over here. But which value will be stored over there? First of all, it is saying engine dot string. So it is converting this whole column into string first, and then it is replacing CC with what? With nothing. This is nothing, empty string, right? And then regex equals to false. You can ignore it. We are not using regular expression. That is why it is false, right? Step 2, converting it to integer. So here we are converting it to integer. We are saying that pd dot to numeric. So to numeric is a function in Pandas DataFrame. PD is the Pandas DataFrame, right? And then we are passing it what? We are passing this data frame, this column, particular column, engine underscore CC, which is newly created over here, right? That has the values without CC. And we are saying that errors coerce, which means that if there is any error, just ignore that value, right? And then we are finding out main of the whole column, and we are converting it to integer. We are rounding it off basically over here. And then we are using fill and a method that we just learned in the previous video. And we are filling it with what? With main engine CC in place equals to true, so that it makes changes inside this data frame. And then finally, it is showing off the first 10 values of both of the columns. Let's see if it works on our data frame. Yeah, it is working perfectly fine. So if the value was 1248 CC, now it is showing 1248.0 CC, right? Let's have a look. Where was the missing value? So missing value was somewhere over here, right? Let's copy this and let's come over here. Okay, so let's run it now. Okay, so here you see we have a missing value in this CC column, but if I come over here, now at the same at the corresponding location, we do not have missing value. Why? Because it is replaced with the mean of overall column, right? So this is our newly created engine underscore CC column. So this is how we can perform any kind of analysis by using ChatGPT as well. All we have to do is just provide it a file, provide it accurate instructions, and it will work 90-95% times accurately, right? Sometimes there are some issues as well, and for those issues, we are learning Python, so that if there is any issue, if the output is not accurate, we can figure out that issue and we can rectify and deal with that particular issue. So our type conversion, our data management is also completed by using Pandas. And in next video, what do we have to do? Let me think about it. What do we have to do in next video?